Hello moneymakers, you're wrong about how to earn from YouTube. You think you need thousands of subscribers for that? Nah, absolutely not. You can start earning from day one, literally your first day, with 0 subscribers, 0 followers, and 0 social proof. Just one simple condition: you need to join Amazon's affiliate program and create product videos. What's that? Imagine you show someone a Mother's Day gift, like a watch, a skincare item, or a kitchen gadget. You tell them you've checked it out and think it's worth buying. People would be interested and would ask for the link where they can buy. Especially now, with Mother's Day coming up, this is actually one of the best times to try this. Now you give them a link. It should be your affiliated link, not just the product link that we casually share. When they click your affiliated link and they buy the watch, Amazon pays you a percentage of that sale. The percentage varies by product category, usually between 1% to 5%. But don't think it's too low, because it compensates in an unexpected way. If that same person goes on to buy 10 other things during that same session after clicking your affiliated link, you earn commission on every single one of those items too, not just the watch you recommended. This is something many people don't know. So on a product worth $500 with a 5% commission, you pocket $25 from one click. Now multiply that across hundreds of clicks per day and start imagining what the numbers look like at scale. There's no minimum subscriber count or no gatekeeping. Now you might wonder, do you need to share this with hundreds of people every day? No, that's not the game here. You simply create YouTube videos around products you've linked as an affiliate. These videos act like short ads, showing the product through a simple story that builds emotion, urgency, or a bit of FOMO. Then you place your affiliate link in the description. Most viewers won't watch till the end. They get interested midway, click the link, and make a purchase. Yes, your retention might look low to YouTube. It may seem like you're not ready for monetization yet, but by then, you could already be earning well through the Amazon affiliate program. So in this video, I'll show you how to make these videos easily using AI and how to get started with this business step by step. You will know exactly how to set it up, create professional AI product videos for it, and start placing links that earn you real commission. So, now let's grab a cup of coffee and let's get started with the most important question. Step 1. The AI system. For this, the most important thing you need is the complete product description. If you are a seller, you already have the product data. If you are an affiliate marketer, you have the right to use the product information listed on Amazon. So, what you need specifically is the product description, its features and benefits, and high-quality images from multiple angles. Try to pick products that fit the Mother's Day angle, things people would actually buy as gifts. The core idea is you will show only the product with a professional voiceover layered on top. For Amazon affiliate content, this variation is the best choice because it keeps the focus entirely on the product itself, which is exactly what converts viewers into buyers. Once you get the scenes, we will get the rest of the things done in a particular AI tool that's designed for this. Step 2. Building the video inside Vmake AI. I could have used any AI video generator for this, but instead, I looked for an AI that understands product showcase videos by default. That's important because this is pure business, and everything has to be professional. After trying multiple AI tools and rejecting them, I discovered one that's actually designed for this kind of task. It's called Vmake AI. Once you log in here, you literally see an option called Product Showcase section. Come inside it. This is your entire workspace. You can either upload your product image or you can paste a direct image link here. After that, you move to the section that says, Describe your ideal video. Do not skip this part because it says optional. This section is actually the backbone of your video since everything from the messaging to the visual structure depends on what you write here. This is the place where you need to enter the entire product description and how you want to show it in the screen. Remember, each video creation would last a maximum of 15 seconds, so one clip won't be enough. You need to create around 3 to 5 clips. For each clip, the product description will be the same, but what you want to show in each scene will be changed. So, in this box, only change that part based on how you want to represent each scene. Next, enable the voiceover option and select your preferred language. Remember, each video clip on Vmake is only 15 seconds long. That means your voiceover script for each scene needs to be extremely short and tight. If you write too much, It simply will not fit. Then turn on background music to give the final output a polished, professional feel. But I won't recommend it though, and you will see the reason in the next few minutes. Before that, enable the AI templates option because this automatically adds captions and introduces smart camera movement into your clips. This dramatically improves the overall quality without any extra effort from you. Now select an AI model for video generation. I think Kling 3.0 or Seedance 2.0 will be best. Just select any of these. After that, choose the right aspect ratio. For this, both 16:9 and 9:16 would work. Now move on to the duration. Keep it to the full 15 seconds and hit generate. The clip will take a few minutes to render. By the way, let me tell you that Vmake runs on a credit system. If you have a free account, it gives you just enough credits to generate roughly one 15-second clip. If you are serious about building a library of affiliate product videos, you will need to move to a paid plan. Check their pricing page directly because the plans are quite reasonable when you think about earning back through affiliate commissions. One more thing, we're not done with Vmake yet. It has many more features in it that we'll use next. Step 3. Editing video. Once all your clips are generated, just stitch them one after another. But you don't need to go to Filmora or CapCut for this. Vmake's built-in editor can handle this. As soon as a clip is generated, it opens automatically inside a timeline editor. Here, you can see multiple tracks laid out. You bring in your other clips using the import or add media option. Arrange them in sequence on the timeline so the video flows naturally from one scene to the next. Simply placing the clips in the right order already completes 90% of the job. Next, you can add transitions between clips if you want a smoother look. But the video works completely fine without them. Think from the buyer's perspective. What matters most is that the product that's shown clearly and its features are communicated effectively. They're not here to appreciate the look of your video, so no need to overwork. Finally, this is the time I'll add background music. I didn't allow Vmake to generate music because each video clip might come with different music, which won't match at the end. The cleaner solution is to disable music during the generation phase. Then, add a single background audio track inside the editor that runs continuously from the beginning to the end. This keeps the entire video feeling consistent and professional. Once everything is arranged, you can upscale the output to 4K for a sharper final look. After that, just export the video and download it. Now your complete multi-scene affiliate product video is ready. Feature 2. AI avatar videos. But if you want to change the entire feel of your video, you should go for this next feature. Instead of only showing the product, you bring in a face, and that face starts talking. The moment a person appears on screen, attention naturally goes up because people connect with people faster than they connect with objects. So, first open the AI avatar video option. Upload your product image, then add a short script. This is nothing complicated, just something simple and natural, like someone speaking to a friend. For example, you say, "Looking for a perfect Mother's Day gift? This is something your mom will actually love." Then you click Generate, and the system turns that into a presenter talking about your product. This works better than most tools because the avatar feels stable and real. When the face looks natural, people trust it more. And when people trust it more, they are more likely to keep watching. And when they keep watching, your chances of conversion go up. But these processes are for first-timers, or if you're building something from scratch. What if you already have one viral video and you just want to recreate that? The process is even simpler for this. Feature 3. Viral video recreation. You go to TikTok or Amazon and find a video that is already going viral. Usually, it has a real person, good pacing, and strong delivery. Just copy that video link. Then come back to the tool and click Recreate Video. Don't forget to paste the original link, upload your product image, and here is the small detail that makes a big difference. You need to leave the avatar field empty. The trick is, when you leave it empty, the system understands that it should reuse the original person from the video. Then you click Generate. What you get is a recreated version of that viral video, but now it is built around your product. When you compare the original and your version side by side, you will notice something very clear. The pacing feels similar, the structure feels similar, and even the delivery feels close. And that's exactly why this works. You are not guessing what people might like. You are following a pattern that people have already proven they like. When you remove guesswork, your chances of success go up. And this becomes even more useful during fast-moving events like Mother's Day, where trends change quickly and timing matters a lot. But this is of no use if you don't have an Amazon affiliate account ready yet. Most people think it'd be extremely complicated, but trust me, it's not, at least not when I'm with you. Here is the full process, step by step. Go to Amazon.com, scroll to the bottom of the homepage, and look for the section called Make Money with Us. Inside that section, click Become an Affiliate. If you're on your phone, open Chrome, go to the browser menu, and enable desktop site first so you can see all the options clearly. On the sign up page, click the sign up option at the top. The first section asks to whom payments should be issued. Enter the name exactly as it is in your bank account, then fill in your address, city, postal code, and phone number. The fields with red markers are mandatory, the rest are optional. When it asks who the main contact is, select yourself if the account is yours. When it asks whether you are a US person for tax purposes, select yes or no depending on which country you live in. Then click Next. The next screen asks for a website or mobile app URL. This is where many people get stuck because they assume they need an actual website. The secret is, you don't. Just your YouTube channel is enough for this. So, go to your YouTube channel, copy the URL from the browser bar, paste it into the field, and click Add. The second section on this page is optional, so skip it and move on. The profile section comes next. Choose your preferred associate store ID, which works like a username, so pick something with your name or a combination you will remember. Describe your YouTube channel in 1 or 2 lines. Select social media page or group as your website type since YouTube is a social platform. Fill in how you heard about the program, agree to the terms, and click Finish. Amazon will confirm your application and generate an ID for you if your preferred one was already taken. Now don't stop here, because the step most people miss completely is entering payment and tax details. Without this, you cannot receive any money, no matter how many commissions you earn. Click the option to complete your payment information. Select NEFT as your payment method. For that, enter your full bank details, including account holder name, account number, bank name, and the code. Confirm the account number a second time, and then submit. After that, fill in your tax details. This isn't optional. Select whether you are filing as an individual or a business, enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your official document, and submit. Once this is done, you will reach the Amazon Associates dashboard, where you can track your performance and earnings going forward. Well, this is just the knowledge. The main game starts when you play it, otherwise, none of it would matter. To generate your affiliate link, click the 3 lines in the top right corner of the dashboard, go to Tools, and select SiteStripe. This activates a floating bar that appears at the top of every Amazon product page you visit. Open any product, and the bar will show you the commission percentage for that item. Now click Get Link inside that bar, copy the URL, and place it in the description of your YouTube video, your Instagram bio, or anywhere else you have an audience. One final thing before you go. These earnings don't appear overnight. If you spend the first few months checking your dashboard every hour and expecting dramatic numbers, you will only be disappointed. Affiliate income works on compounding. I mean, you will start earning from the first day or first week, but you'll start small. Then, the more videos you publish, the more links you place, and the more clicks accumulate over time. Consistency and volume are what drive conversions here. Every review you create is another entry point for someone to click your link and buy. So, start building now, and the results will follow. So if you want to start affiliate marketing, especially with Mother's Day coming up, this is a strategy worth trying. Start creating product videos, test different products, and scale what works. Because right now people are already searching for what to buy. You just need to show up with the right content. Check the link below, and you'll know.
She's always been there, through every moment of your life. But when was the last time you gave her something timeless? Introducing the perfect mother's watch gift, a beautifully crafted elegance with everyday comfort.
Okay, I am obsessed with this premium design with a sleek minimalist dial. It's got this super comfortable strap for all-day wear, precise movement that keeps up with her every moment. Simple, elegant, made for her.
Because her time deserves to be cherished. This Mother's Day, give her a gift she'll wear every day. Order now on Amazon before it sells out.